Hey guys, ni hao ma, and welcome back to my channel. And today I am going to show you how to make sanbeiji or 3-cup chicken. Sanbeiji is the most popular dish in Taiwan, and this Taiwanese version of sanbeiji calls for a refreshing Asian basil. So let's get cooking. 3-cup chicken takes its name from an equal ratio of soy sauce, sesame oil, and rice wine, and it became wildly popular in Taiwan and became one of their most iconic dishes. And this dish reminds me of my fond memories in Taiwan back in the day when I lived there 10 years ago. But today we're gonna cook this dish gangster way we're gonna preheat the pan on a very high heat. We're gonna use a dark sesame oil, and dark sesame oil has more flavor and more nuttier flavor than the paler one. So we're gonna put this now. About 1/3 cup. Don't worry, all the measurement will be at the description down below and at setskitchen.com. And we're gonna put our ginger. And our garlic. Taiwanese dishes use a lot of garlic, and I want the sesame oil, the ginger, and garlic to be so infused. So before we fry the chicken, then all the flavors of the sesame oil, the ginger, and the garlic will be infused in the chicken. With this dish, we really want to emphasize the flavor and the nuttiness of the sesame oil. So now I'm gonna put in our chicken. By the way, I'm using a chicken thigh and a drumstick, and I removed the end part of the drumstick because it makes more flavorful to use than chicken breast. Let's chop this one skin side down, always. This is basically like a one-pot dish. So we will cook the chicken until 70% brown, and until the ginger and the garlic, we're going to infuse all those flavor into the chicken. Stirring them all the time, once in a while, so that it's not going to burn underneath. So now the chicken has been 70% cooked, and now we're going to add the rice wine. They call this rice wine or Shaoxing wine. You can find this in all your Asian supermarket. So it's not actually difficult to find. All the ingredients basically are not difficult to find. It can be ready in your kitchen cupboard. So putting it now. So we wait till the rice wine are nearly evaporated before we add the rest of the ingredients. Now we're gonna add the soy sauce, the sugar, and the pepper. Smells so good. So I'm just using a regular soy sauce. Don't use light soy sauce. A bit of sugar to balance the tanginess of the rice wine vinegar. Put on some pepper. And 1 star anise, and I will explain you later why I put the star anise. So now we bring this to boil, and then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes until the sauce is reduced. So guys, this has been simmering and cooking for about 30 minutes. Let's check it and make some adjustment also for the taste. Oh, smell that, it's so good. So we will taste this, and let's see if there's a little bit adjustment to do. I'm so excited. It should be like this. That's perfect. So we need some heat on this dish, that's for sure. So we're adding this chili. Bam! There you go. Oh, and this sweet Thai basil. No, this is not Thai basil. This sweet basil will give sweetness to the dish because it's sweet. And the star anise, if you combine them together, it will join all the flavors together. It will so gonna be good. Just put on the leaves. Yes! So guys, this is already done. And then we are ready to play it out. And let's taste it! So guys, here is my 3-cup chicken or san peiji, and this dish is dedicated to all my friends back in Taiwan. So guys, let's taste it. So excited. So of course you have rice. Rice. Which is so good. The moment you taste this, you will taste the licorice taste from star anise, the spiciness from the chili, the sweetness from the basil, the soy sauce, the rice wine vinegar. It's just so perfect. If you want more of my recipes, please check www.seskitchen.com. Please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed yet, please do, because I will always make good that will always makes you feel good. Bye!